Hi guys, welcome back to Restomod. This is the winter project. Picked it up yesterday in boxes. As you can see from the tank, it is a TLR200, but it's in a really sad state. Let's have a close look at the bits. I'll zoom out. Oops. Okay, so starting off with the frame. It's not straight. It's had a lot of repairs, additions, welding, broken bits. The bike is kind of complete, but not actually. No, it's far from complete. Frame, engine, it turns over, it has compression, but we'll have to do a test run. Carb, the exhaust, I might show that in a slightly different. You can see it's had a fairly hard life. Front end, so front forks are reasonably tidy considering. It had come with a steel rim on the front, so obviously it's been swapped out at some stage, as well as the rear. If you look closely, there is some odd swinging arms, so that's not a TLR200 swinging arm. The rim looks in reasonable condition. I'll have to give it a tidy up, but there's no major dings or bends. It seems to run true. Rear guard's been chopped. I don't know whether that was somebody trying to do storage or what's going on there. So the tank has a dent in there. It's a little rusty on the inside. It's been repainted. There's a dent there. I'm pretty sure it's got some, oh, there's a dent there. I'm pretty sure it's got some filler in it. Only one side cover. It has the headlight. And with every headlight, it needs an on-off switch, which is quite comical. So obviously that's been added as a performance enhancing feature. The sump guard has been cut, so somebody's taken to that with a cut-off wheel or a hacksaw. The airbox is complete, which is a bonus, so that will tidy up. Haven't had a close look at the shocks. Hopefully they'll be fine as a starting point. Actually, no, they look a bit toast. Let me put a few bits together and line it up so that we've got a slightly better look. Let's have a closer look at the TL200 frame and motor on the left hand side. So as you can see, there's been some interesting welding done there. There. All of that. In fact, that whole section has got multiple repairs in it. Then let's run down through so relatively fine on the frame on this side, and let's have a look at the front sprocket. Doesn't look like that's going to go anywhere in a hurry. It's a bit of a bugger. Now the right hand side and the interesting exhaust. So where should we start? Start with the fact that it's obviously a lot smaller at the exhaust port. Then it has multiple welds running through here, some dog leg, and a silencer of I have no idea what. Frame, a bit tidier, but still a lot of welding. For some reason the brake lever or the has been modified, well, bodged. You can see this other side of the frame. Missing the front mounting bracket. Also missing the decompression cable and mechanism. It's up the top here, and that's basically it. I wonder if I can, nope, it's going to tip over. So this looks pretty recent. Somebody has tried to cut off the inside of, yeah. So this looks pretty recent. Somebody's tried to cut off the inside arm on the brake pedal. So obviously they've gone to it with a cut-off wheel. So it's been welded. And then you've got that and this contraption. A little bit of the underside of the swinging arm. Yep. It's not so much of an issue, but please add your thoughts and comments, like and subscribe. Let's grow this channel. This is the second one. Picked it up about a week after the first one. This one is a very standard TLR200. Even has the original linkage gear shift, as you can see in the photo here. Very stock, in good condition, but needs quite a tidy up. We did purchase a sandblasting cabinet off Facebook Marketplace. Probably going to do some vapor blasting in that as well. Please add your thoughts and comments, like and subscribe. Let's grow this channel.